it's Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory, and we are back in Raleigh, North Carolina, once again at 3D Dentist Full Arch Express course. Now, being in Raleigh, it's a pretty unique situation because at this 5-day course, the doctors that attend it, they get to do surgery on patients provided by 3D dentists and their SMILE 3D facility. So let's take a walk around the facility real quick and see what we can see here. We have 10 surgeries, so there's 10 attendees, 10 full arch surgeries using Chrome GuidedSMILE. And we are doing digital workflows today with photogrammetry. During the course, though, the first 3 days is didactic, so you get to learn full arch techniques, science behind full arch. So that's days 1, 2, and 3. There's also hands-on componentry with Chrome GuidedSMILE and hands-on with the latest photogrammetry techniques. And then day 4, that's the big day. That's where you're doing your full arch all-next surgeries, guided surgery with Chrome GuidedSMILE, and then transitioning to a photogrammetry workflow. So you get to learn it all here at this course. And then Friday, they do surgeries with overdentures, featuring Dr. Jock Jernigan. So Friday, you get to do a little bit of overdenture as well. So this whole course is, again, 5 days, very unique. Because again, Raleigh, North Carolina, you get to come here and place the implants, and then they take care of the restorative 4 to 6 months down the road. So we're gonna kind of take a walk this way now and pop in here real quick. So they got everything laid out in this particular room. Again, some doctors are doing the metal, some doctors are doing plastic. So this one here is the metal stackable guide from Chrome GuidedSMILE. Again, we have a couple different options, but then they'll get the implants in, and then they switch to their digital workflow. And we'll walk right over into this one here. I want to show you the plastic version as well, the 3D printed version. All right. So here's your 3D printed version, all acrylic. It's a different color. It's like a bluish color, and the nice thing about that, if you're doing a photogrammetry workflow, you can actually use that fixation base as the TAD or as the constant. But you're going to learn all that stuff here at this course. So I think the next one's coming up in a couple months. Check out the 3D Dentist website, or you can come to rowedentallab.com, and we'll have the course listed on the site. Look forward to seeing you at the next course.